Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video, we will look at how we can use rename in a most effective manner and what are the circumstances or places where it is ideally used or suitably used. Let's say we have a data frame DF. I'm creating a very small example where in first column we have the name of the products ABC and in the second column we have sales value. Now you can see that there is there is an NA value present in this column. So ideally we should remove this NA with, let's say, a 0 or a blank. For our current case, let's replace it with a 0. So I will create a sales 2 and I will say if sales column has NA value, then basically do a 0, otherwise sales. So now you see, once I run this command, I get a sales to column where if the value is NA in the original sales column, it will be equal to 0, otherwise it will retain the same value. But now the problem is we have two versions of the sales column. So uh, there are a couple of things we can do here. We can remove the original sales column and then we can use the rename functionality to rename sales to as sales. Now let's do that. So once we run this, we will just have sales 2 and sales column will be removed. And now we'll use the rename functionality. And what we want to do is we want to rename sales to as sales. So we'll do. So you see, sales 2 was renamed as sales. The main objective of rename is, whenever we have to recode a variable with a new name. So, so if we don't rename it to the original column name, then it basically breaks the logical flow of the entire thing, in the sense that we have to keep track of what exact name changes have happened because of such a recoding or creation of new columns. And it's really a very useful hack when we are dealing with situations where we don't know what exact input variables we'll be having, or let's say in cases where we are using some parameterization where the input is unknown. So in those cases, rename really helps a lot and comes to our rescue. I hope the video was useful. If you liked it, please share and subscribe.